I was just showing you how the game looks. So I'm going to run it again. That's probably what I'm doing. Let's turn around and see. Oh, there's one there. There's one there. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah, shoot. Okay, that's what we're aiming for, folks. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you all. Okay, so at the moment, yeah, this is not quite right, and some things are broken, but that's okay. What we were trying to achieve was, first of all, to be able to move around, okay, far, whatever, and then click again. And when I click again, it brings me back to the beginning. Watch this again, okay? That was the objective of what we did last week. Yay! And what we're going to do today is we're going to create a death handler script which will activate that canvas. So we'll create a Boolean, game over canvas true, game over canvas false. So that's quite straightforward. And I don't know if you noticed, but when you start shooting at the enemy, he doesn't react. I'm going to run it again, and I'm going to start shooting at our guy. Now I know the game over canvas is still there, but just bear with me. When I start to shoot, let's see if I can start to shoot. Yeah. So our guy, he's not provoked. Yeah, our enemy is not provoked. So what we want to do is when we shoot at the guy, let's see, Chris. What do we want our enemy to do when we provoke him? What should he be doing? Just standing there like that? What should he be doing, Chris?
To come and attack us.
Yeah, exactly. So that's exactly what we want to do. So we want to create some code to say, if provoked, attack. So we're going to go into the enemy AI script, and we're going to write some logic so that when the enemy has been shot at, he's coming after us. The enemy has taken damage. It has been provoked. Is provoke equals?
True.
Yeah. Create a new script. Which object in the hierarchy do you think I'm going to connect this script to?
Maybe the player.
Yes, Max. Well done. Max, okay. Excellent.
Oh.
Matteo, in this first method, void start game over canvas dot enabled, what is it equal to at the beginning?
Maybe false.
It is false. So look here, Matteo, we've switched off our canvas when we start our game. When death happens, we want to switch it on. So false needs to become
True.
Yeah. That's exactly right. Okay. See, Martin, where do you think I'm going to call this method handle death?
Is it like the help? Player
Yes,
help?
it is. Awesome. So what do I need to type?
GetComponent death handler.
Okay. Do you want to explain to folks what that means, GetComponent?
Yeah, so you basically just like get the script which is on the player and just get a reference to that so you can do something with it.
Very good. Okay. And what do we want to do with this one? What do I need to type here? We're going to call that new method, which is called
Handle
handle death. Exactly. Handle death. And it's referring to what Mario said earlier. We want to be able to access the game over canvas. So check it out there in the inspector. What do I need to do now?
You get the text into the SerializeField. No.
So which one are we dragging in? Here. There we go. Game over canvas. Yeah? Like that. Drag it in. And we should be good. Okay, and explain what your understanding is of it.
So it basically just like removes the cursor, and so in a way so it like doesn't really work, so you can't move it around. It just like stays in the center, so you can use it to like move with the weapon and move like your character.
Anybody want to tell me? I won't say it. Isabella, where's the missing semicolon? Give me a line number.
On line 11.
Well done. So when I run this, I should not be, canvas should not be visible. It should be disabled. Let's see. Okay, good. So we don't have the canvas. Canvas is not there. I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna provoke this bugger. Here we go, provoke. Yes, he's coming after me. Okay, escape. Okay, let's let him get me. Okay, and that is it. Excellent. And then the start again starts. So what happens when the player's health hit points reaches 0? That must have been just too easy. What does the scene loader script do? Exactly. So it reloads the game or quits it. Now in our game, we only have one scene, but you can imagine if you had many different scenes, different levels or whatever, that's where you would manage those. And we use the scene loader script then to get this to do what we wanted to do, okay? So to activate or deactivate the UI canvas where the buttons come up. So how does the zombie attack the player in the enemy attack script? Okay, it is actually by checking the player's health and dealing damage. So for example, if I go into the game and I click on the player here, okay, so you can see here the hit points, right? And when we play the game, we will see those hit points go down. So you see down here in our hit points, it's going down by -40 each time. How much damage does the zombie deal per attack? Okay, I've just given you the answer. Which method is used in the scene loader to restart the game? Okay, that's exactly right. So this is our code, and we went in here and we found whichever method we wanted to call. SerializeField hit points makes hit points private but editable in the inspector. It's the SerializeField, so even if you have a float that's private, if you use SerializeField, it does allow you to access it in the inspector. Okay, so for example, there's hit points there, and that's thanks to SerializeField, we can access that, and we could change that in and you know, experiment with other values. So when using fonts, what does TMP stand for? Okay, very good. TextMesh Pro, better than just normal text, because as you remember, Max explained very well last week, it allows us to customize text, and it allows us to have a much higher definition, higher quality font. Okay, TextMesh Pro. A font asset creator allows developers to convert traditional fonts into SDF font assets. SDF stands for signed distance field. Okay. How did you do that? How did you do that?
It's just poor skill.
No, that's so cool. Okay, let's check this out. Ooh, 81%. That's one way to make you happy. Okay, good.